Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, China has released a large set of economic data, and not all of it is as positive as it first seems, or their officials claim. But first, the New York Fed's survey of factories in its region in February was increasingly positive, with increases in new orders. But costs and prices rose at their fastest pace in 10 years. In Canada, housing starts stayed high in February, even if they just slightly undershot expectations. In China, data for industrial production and for retail sales came in better than expected for the January-February period and recorded gains far above the December month as well. Year-on-year data, though, isn't so relevant, as the 2020 bases were hugely affected by the onset of the pandemic there, even if they do look spectacular in a chart. But the retail sales gain actually wasn't that impressive, even if it was better than expected. It indicates their recovery seems to be weakening. Worse, there was a rise in their surveyed unemployment rate to 5.5%, from 5.4% last month and 5.2% in December. In Chinese terms, admitting to that is a sort of confirmation that things aren't exactly on the right track at present. And Chinese electricity production slipped sharply on a daily average basis from December, even lower than for November. So that might also be indicating a real economy slowdown. In Japan, data for machinery orders in January came in better than expected, although only to a small degree. And the US Treasury 10-year yield is down 2 basis points from yesterday at 1.61%. And the price of gold starts today little change in New York, up $1 to just on $1,729 an ounce. Oil prices have stayed high and are unchanged at just under $65.50 a barrel in the US, while the international price is now just under $69.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar opens today marginally firmer at 71.9 US cents. Against the Australian dollar, we're up to 92.9 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're firmer too, at just under 60.3 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index opens today at 74. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.